how to add money to PlayStation Wallet from the app. So assuming you want to use your phone, you will need to open up the PlayStation app here. Now you will click on the store in the middle. Now you want to click on the three lines in the top right, and you will go into payment methods. If you go into payment methods, then here we're just going to wait for it to load. You can add a payment method and you can see your balance, which is convenient, but you can't add money. So what can we do instead if we want to use our phone? You will open up Safari or the browser on your phone and search for PlayStation Network. Now here you want to click on the first link that pops up and then select sign in to manage your account. Once you click on sign in, here we will need to log into our account. So we're just going to wait for this to load. You will need to type in your email, click on next. Also, you will fill out your password. Alright, so once you have signed in, you want to open up Google again and search for PSN. So click on the link again. And now it should tell you to sign in yet again in the top right. So you want to click on that. Now, if I go and click on my profile icon, you will be able to see, or I will be able to see payment management. So like I said, you just need to close everything which you signed into, and then you will click on payment management here. Once you click on payment management, then it's going to take you to the wallet, and you can see add payment method, and also you can see add funds. So if I click on add funds, I can add a credit or debit card, and then I can select the amount which I want to add using my phone, and it's going to transfer over to my wallet, the PlayStation wallet. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.